Alex here, doing Unit 2 of my Forest School portfolio, doing 2.1 this morning, which is the safe sighting and lighting and management of starting a fire. So, this morning, as you can see, we're in the southeast of England, and I've decided to use a fire pit on my patio surface, because as you can see, at the moment the grass here is very dry, and therefore it would be quite dangerous to attempt this on the grass or in a woodland setting at the moment. So I have here some wood that I've sourced out this morning, and I've sorted it into different piles of thicknesses in order to use my fire lighting. So at the bottom here I've got some sticks just running across to create some airflow, because we need to think about the fire triangle when we're lighting a fire. So we need oxygen, we need heat, and we need fuel. So the sticks are going to be my fuel, oxygen running through underneath, and we will provide the heat shortly. The three piles I've sorted them into are the different thicknesses of stick, smaller sticks that I will use as kindling, and then as the fire starts building I will add the different depths of sticks on. For safety precautions, I have a bucket of water just to the side of me, and first aid kit, burns kit, and my safety heat gloves. So let's get started. So this morning I'm going to use cotton wool as my fire starter. However, you can get these reeled wooden pouches that have obviously got some fuel on them, but today we're going to use these. So I'm just going to puff out slightly these cotton wool buds and lay them on the top of my sticks. Don't want too much, just to get the start fire going. I'm just going to bring my kindling a little bit closer so it's in reach when this gets going. So I have my fire starter. Now we're going to try and light our cotton wool. I'm going to add kindling pretty quickly, because the cotton wool does go very quick, and get this started. So that's just burning through. It is slightly windy here this morning, so we just want to bear that in mind when we're making our fire. And now looks like our cotton wool is doing its job, and now our smaller kindling is now starting to light. So now I'll use the thicker size sticks. So here we go. I'll start layering them up in a sort of a teepee type of a fashion. Just making sure, being careful not to burn myself. You can always use the fire retardant gloves as help. And as you can see, that's really going nicely now. And as these ones burn through, I'll then put on my thicker sticks again, and they will be a really good source of fuel, ready for the next step of my cooking. And there we have it. Now I will continue to watch this and just let the fire die down a little bit, making sure that obviously I'm keeping an eye on it at all times. Water's ready in case we need to do anything, but to extinguish it, we'll talk about that in the next part. Thank you very much.